Building your network on LinkedIn. Today I want to talk to you about building a genuine and authentic network that's going to really help you build your business on LinkedIn. My name is Louise Brogan and I am a LinkedIn consultant, podcaster and speaker. And I help businesses, entrepreneurs learn how to use LinkedIn to win business. So one of the things that I see all the time with clients who come to me is that they have built up a LinkedIn network full of people that they're not really interested in interacting with, or they're getting people connecting with them who are immediately sending them sales messages or spam messages, and they don't really enjoy being on LinkedIn. So I ran a poll earlier this year and only 50% of my poll respondents said that they actually liked the people who were in their LinkedIn network. If you don't like the people in your network, you're less likely to go and spend time on LinkedIn connecting with people. So I would like to teach you how to build a great, strong network on LinkedIn, a small but mighty network rather than the largest network possible, because I want you to enjoy spending time on LinkedIn and I want it to be full of potential leads, customers, clients and collaborators who are going to help you win business. So the first thing is, number one, don't accept all connection requests that you get on LinkedIn. When you get a connection request from somebody and there is no message with it to say why they're connecting with you, have a little look at their LinkedIn profile and see if you've got anything in common, and whether or not you think that this is somebody that if you were at an in-person networking event, that you might spend time chatting to them at the coffee machine. That's really how I determine a lot of the things that I do on LinkedIn. I think of it as being like an actual in-person conference or networking event and treat it like that. So having conversations, talking to people you're interested in, somebody who's got something interesting to say, and really building relationships with people rather than just walking up to someone and saying, here's what I do, would you like to buy it? So check out who you are connecting with and don't accept all your connection requests. Then spend some time building up a network of people you actually want to connect with. So those could be peers and people who are commenting on your network's posts that you think look interesting, somebody you've met at an event, somebody you might have attended a webinar that they're running, and build up your network slowly and steadily so that you fill it full of people that you're not only interested in seeing what they're posting, but they're going to be more interested in seeing what you're posting, and as a result you're going to get more engagement on the content and activity that you have going on LinkedIn yourself. So the third thing to do is have a look at the existing network you have. A lot of people that I work with say, well, Louise, I accepted everybody who connected with me, or maybe I have people from 20 years ago that I worked with. What do I do about those people in my newsfeed? You can unfollow people. You can remove connections from people that you are no longer interested in hearing from them, or you don't think that your content's going to be relevant to them. But I suggest that instead of just disconnecting from people, why not unfollow the people who you're not really as interested in hearing from? This means that they will still see your content and it may be of interest to them, or they may comment on it and that puts you in front of their network. But you don't have to disconnect from them. So you want to really clean up your own newsfeed on LinkedIn. And one easy way to do that is by unfollowing the people in your network that you're not really interested in hearing from anymore. And check out my next video where I'm going to show you how to unfollow or remove connections from people who are in your LinkedIn network. I'd love to connect with you if you're interested in finding out more about using LinkedIn for business. Drop your link below and connect with me if you think that I can be able to help you with the content I share on LinkedIn. And make sure you send me a personalized invitation to explain why you're connecting with me on LinkedIn.